Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. My name is Daphne. Thank you so much for joining me today. We are in my front yard and we're taking a look at the front bed underneath the windows. We previously did some beautiful flower boxes in our last video, and this is the area right below it. We're going to be reshaping these flower beds and giving it a nice clean edge, and we're also going to be cleaning it out and adding fresh mulch. But before we get started, I just wanted to take a look back at our first and second video. Now, we did a complete refresh of these steps. We totally breathed fresh life into them. We did a beautiful stain. It's a slate colored stain. This is how the steps looked before we did the makeover, and it was quick and easy. It only took us a couple of hours. And then, as I said in last video, we did flower boxes that we added to the two front windows. Now, we've been taking our time in the front yard this year, just making sure that we address all of the areas that we want to just make sure that the curb appeal is absolutely popping for this spring. So now we're going to be focusing in on this large planting area in the front yard. So I am going to prop up the camera and we're going to get started with removing all of the mulch, and we're going to define the edges. But before we do that, I have some low-lying branches on this euonymus plant that I just wanted to trim off, and then we're going to get started.
We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals they take us higher. The night's young, it has just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon. We lay awake in bed. The laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from.
So how's everyone's week going? I have been enjoying myself on this day. It is a cool, maybe about 60 degrees, and halfway in this project, it started raining, so I had to put a pause on it, and then I picked up back again about a week or 2 weeks later, and you'll see at the end the tulips started blooming and they look absolutely amazing. But we just have to make sure that we just, give attention, whenever we're able to in the yard, because we are doing projects on the inside and outside. So as you can see, I am really putting in the sweat equity here with defining the edges. I'm using my manual edger. I do have a trencher, but I didn't want to have to drag it out, set it up, and get going, especially because it was about to start raining. So I just wanted to do this as quickly as possible. And each year that I work out here, I always say to myself, I want to redefine the edge, but I usually don't take the time to go in and recut a nice clean edge. Really what I'm doing is I'm extending the bed about 6 more inches into the grass. So that's why you see me removing a lot of the grass and getting the roots out and really making a nice trench for the mulch to be able to lie in there so that it doesn't wash out onto the grass. So I thought I would be able to finish the project on this day, but the rain started. So this is as far as we got. I just wanted to share the images of the rain, and then shortly after, within the next like 2 hours or so, it stopped raining. But unfortunately, this was the only time that I was able to allow outside. So we picked it up the next week, actually 2 weeks later. So this is me here applying the last little bit of the mulch, and then I'm going to show you how everything turned out. So I want to thank you guys for joining me today. I appreciate your support. I hope that you enjoyed this quick refresh of the front bed. At the end of the video, I'm going to be doing a quick recap of 2 porch makeovers from last year. They look amazing. I hope that this spring I can really wow you the way that I did in these past makeovers. So until then, I wish you a beautiful day. Have a wonderful and fulfilling week with your family, and blessings to you, and I'll see you here back next Sunday.